For as long as you trust the Lord, good things will come to you. Because blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord. And those who hope in God will not be disappointed. When things feel like they are falling apart and doors seem to be closing, at the same time you feel that you are in a very difficult situation, remind yourself that situations may be difficult, but you have a good and perfect Father. Let me share this kwento, this story. Last night, may nasakyan kami na taxi driver. He was a Chinese, pero dito na siya nag-stay sa Malaysia. Now, habang nasa travel kami, I keep on asking him about sa pagdadrive niya, about sa kumusta naman yung kanyang journey sa kanyang work. So he told us a story. Sabi niya, before, hindi naman talaga ako nagda-drive nitong Grab. Now, only last year ata yon. Now, nung 2020 or before mag-2020, he was running his own business, a printing company dito sa Malaysia, sa Kuala Lumpur. But, dumating ang pandemic 2020. For 9 months dito sa kanyang location ay nagsarado siya, pero wala siyang choice kundi magpasweldo pa rin sa kanyang mga tauhan hanggang sa nagkabaon-baon siya sa utang. Tapos natapos ang pandemic. Dumating ang mga competitors na Chinese dito. Now, yung kanyang mga dating kliyente ay inofera na ng kanyang mga competitors, which is mas mababa kesa sa offer niya. When it comes sa machine, ang kanyang mga kakompetensya ay mas advanced kumpara sa kanya. Now, i-realize nung time na yon, wala siyang choice kundi isarado ang business niya. Kasi sabi niya, his competitors were so strong compared sa kanya. Now, sabi namin sa kanya, so along sa conversation namin, na-feel namin na parang nawalan ba siya ng pag-asa? Parang ayaw niya na ulit magsimula mag-business. So, we told him, bakit hindi na lang na bumalik ka sa pagbi-business? So, sabi niya, in as much as I want, but I don't have enough money to fund the business. So, we told him, why not mag-loan ka sa bank? Sabi niya, who will trust me? For someone na magsisimula again sa business, no bank will trust me. So na-remind ako ng Panginoon to share a testimony ng isang negosyante na he went sa bankruptcy, na talagang walang-wala, that even ang mga bank nagsarado sa kanya. Walang bank na magpapautang sa kanya noon. That was 1990 something. Now, but when he started to commit his business sa Panginoon, sabi niya, Lord, if you will trust me again, if you will bless me again, I'm going to commit my business to you. And some part of my income, I will give it to you. Now, nung sinabi niya yun, of course, siguro after weeks or months ang nangyari, ngayon, may bangko na biglang nagtiwala sa kanya at nag-invest sa kanya. Now, I shared that story, but I just don't know kung ano yung epekto noon doon sa taong kausap namin na dito sa Malaysia. But you know what? I just want to encourage each and everyone na, for example, if you are thinking na in your past, may mga failure ka, may mga pangyayari sa business mo na hindi maganda, nag-suffer ng losses, and even or sa family, now, can I encourage you? Hindi pa katapusan ng lahat. For as long as you have God, your situation may not be good, but you have a good and perfect Father. If you have overcome your failures and some challenges in the past, it was because of your perfect Father, because God delivered you. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. We are destined to be living evidence of God's power, goodness, and faithfulness of God in our lives. We are His message and a proof of His unchanging love and His faithfulness. Now, tandaan natin, hindi ibig sabihin na pangit na naging sitwasyon natin sa nakaraan ay wala nang mangyayari. For as long as you trust the Lord, good things will come to you. Because blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord. And those who hope in God will not be disappointed. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.